We're going to be speaking about our favorite book and author. So, Doro, who is your favorite author? And what is your favorite book? If you have one, feel free to share. Favorite book, easily 1984. Okay, so let me read everybody's comments because the chat messages sometimes go by too quickly. Doro and everybody who is joining, please do like the live. Much appreciate. Like the live, please. Thank you. I watch your video. Thank you, Terrells. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you. Okay, guest one says he is a loaf. Brittany said Guts by Rhina is the favorite book. Terrells was asking question mark. Steven, what's your favorite book and favorite author? And thank you for liking the live. Please do like it, the live. Guest one says John Patrick Green and Dave Pilkey, Investigators and Dogman. Are these series? I'm not familiar, but good to know. Terrell says, yay, Guts by Rhina. They're both series. Dora says the favorite book is 1984. I also have not read that. What is the book about, Doro? Brittany said, what's your biggest talent? I think reading and writing might be my biggest talents, actually. I think that's what it is. iPad Live, I watch your video. Thank you. Thank you, Terrells. Hi, boss. Hi, Steven. Kind of tough. Don't really follow any. My bud, Chris Akin, is a dang good author. Steven is here. I have a lot of favorite authors, but I like Harry Turtledove. He wrote a book called Guns of the South. Really? Thank you, everybody, for being here, and thank you for liking the live. Whisper, Stuffy Nose, I feel you. 1984 is about a revolution in a dystopian world. Great read. Could not go to the doctor today. We got snowed in by 6 inches. I love 1984 too. Oh gosh. I think you mean Brian Cox, but okay. Thank you for coming to the live. Please put in the chat what is your favorite book and or favorite author. Love to learn it. Nasa, thank you. I'm making a comic book of my OCS. I'm not sure what OCS is, but I rescheduled for next week. Okay, hopefully that's okay, Steven. Hopefully, but yeah, we got a lot of snow too. I dug out my car from all of the snow last night before going to the gym, and then yeah, I didn't go live earlier, or I would have showed you all the snow on the ground still. I also like Michael Crichton. Crichton? Is that how you say that? And his Jurassic Park. Oh, Jurassic Park. Guest one has original characters. Oh, I favorite books. History? You like history books the best now, Seth? Cool. Thank you for liking the live. Could we get 10 likes? Could we get 20 likes? Terrell says, I'm a kid. Yay! We have kids in the live. Very nice. Favorite books is history. OC means original character.